Imagine owning a timeless all-brick farmhouse full of character and charm, set on 20 acres of rolling hills in Lakeville, Indiana. This classic home offers 5 spacious bedrooms, plus multiple rooms perfect for offices, studios, or extra bedrooms, flexibility at its finest. Appeal. Outside, privacy reigns supreme. The property is surrounded by a wildlife deed restriction, 3 well-maintained outbuildings, and a pond perfect for relaxing evenings. The farmland currently produces around $1,700 per year in crop rent, adding even more value to this exceptional estate. Whether it's enjoying breathtaking sunsets over the western hills, exploring the scenic surroundings, or taking advantage of endless possibilities with the outbuildings, this farmhouse offers a peaceful retreat with incredible potential. With its rare charm, versatile living spaces, and unmatched setting, this Lakeville farmhouse is ready for its next chapter. Don't miss the chance to make history your home.